A very good afternoon to all of you. I welcome you again on this session of KSG's YouTube channel, and in today's session we are going to discuss about some of the previous year questions related to physiography from the Indian geography section. In the last two sessions in this week, we have discussed about the drainage. We have discussed also about perhaps in the last class we have discussed about vegetation also. Okay. So now here we are going to talk about some of the questions based on physiography of India. Okay, and the first question which we have for today is on the basis of is here on this peaks and the mountain. Okay, on one hand side we are having the peaks and on the other hand we have the mountain range. Okay, so you have to tell that which of the pairs are correctly matched. Okay, first we have Namcha Baba and the mountain given is Garhwal Himalayas. Okay, then Nanda Devi Kumaon Himalayas, Nokrek Sikkim Himalaya. Okay, so you have these three options and you have to tell that which of them are correctly matched. Okay, in front of Namcha Baba you have this Garhwal Himalayas, then Nanda Devi Kumaon Himalayas and Nokrek Sikkim Himalaya. Okay, so this is one pattern of question. Okay, like they can give you the peaks, they can give you the mountain range and you have to identify. So can I expect some answers from you? What would be the correct answer here? What can be the correct answer here? Can you give me that? See, when we talk about, let's see this one by one. When we talk about this Namcha Baba, it is very much clear that this is in the Arunachal region. Okay, this is there from where the Brahmaputra river enters into India. Okay, so this is definitely incorrect. Okay, and if we look at this option, A and C can be easily eliminated. Okay, so now again we have got two options, B and D. Okay, and B and D are asking about, like, they have just one option, 2 only or 3 only. Okay, so just look at this. If we look at the second option, Nanda Devi. Nanda Devi is in Kumaon Himalayas. It is in the part of this Uttarakhand region. So yes, it is the correct part. Okay, then when we have this Nokrek, if we talk about Nokrek, Nokrek is not in this Sikkim Himalaya. Okay, Nokrek Biosphere Reserve in Meghalayan region. Okay, so this is the incorrect one. So we can eliminate D also now, and the answer here will be B. Okay, that is 2 only. Now you can see this. Even if you know about this Namcha Baba, on the basis of it, you cannot have solved if you didn't know about Nanda Devi or Nokrek. Okay, so you have to know about the content also sometimes. Just the elimination technique is not going to work many a times. Okay. This is what I have been telling you in the last classes also. Sometimes you need content plus the skill in order to solve it. Okay. So yes, the correct answer is B only, that is 2 only. Okay. Now let's see the regions here. Let's see these areas. Okay. If you look at the western side of Himalayas, here we are having certain ranges like K2 range is there, then here you have Kamet ranges here, and here you have this Nanda Devi range. Okay, this is the part of Garhwal Himalayas, and here we have this Nanda Devi range in the part of this Kumaon Himalayas. Okay, so this option was correct. Okay, then if you look on the other side of it, if you look in this portion, here you have this Namcha Baba region in this part of Arunachal Pradesh. Here in this portion we are having this Namcha Baba. Okay, and just here in this region, in this portion of Garo Hills, here you will find the Nokrek Peak. Okay, so Nokrek Peak is located here, and this is your part of this Sikkim Himalayas, where you have this Kanchenjunga Peak. Okay, so here you have Kanchenjunga Peak, here you have Nokrek, here you have Namcha Baba, and on this side here we are having this Nanda Devi Peak, here we are having Kamet, here we are having Karakoram. Okay, you can see this entire range is there. Here we are having Dhaulagiri ranges, Annapurna range is there, and then you have Maikalu range is also here, Mount Everest is there. Okay, so all these important peaks are in this zone of Nepal Himalayas. Then we have in Sikkim Himalayas Kanchenjunga, and then Arunachal we have Namcha Baba. Okay, so when you are seeing the maps, just look at what are the important peaks there also. Sometimes questions can be framed from there as well. Okay, now just see at this portion. This question is again from physiography, the islands of the country. Okay. And it is saying the Barren Island volcano is an active volcano located in the Indian territory. Okay. So first option is this one. Second is saying Barren Island lies about 140 km east of Great Nicobar. Okay. That this Barren Island is in the 140 km east of Great Nicobar Island. Okay. And third is the last time the Barren Island volcano erupted was in 1991 and it has remained inactive since then. Okay. So can I expect some answers on this one? What would be the correct answer here? Now this is one question where if you have information about just one single statement, you can easily find it out. D option 1 and 3. Okay. Anyone else? What can be the correct answer here? Anyone else? What can be the correct answer in this part? See, first statement, if you look at it, it is saying the Barren Island volcano is an active volcano located in the Indian territory. That is correct. Okay. But then if you see the second statement, it says that Barren Island lies about 140 km east of Great Nicobar. No, that is incorrect statement. Barren Island is near this Andaman Island, not in the Nicobar, not in the south of it. Okay. It is located in the upper parts of this Andaman portion only. Okay. So here the second statement is incorrect. If we look at the third statement, the Barren Island has recently erupted in 2005 also. Okay. So due to that factor, the third statement will be incorrect. In 2005, after this, like in 2004, there was tsunami. In 2005, there was volcanic eruption in this Barren Island. So third statement is also incorrect. If you just eliminate the third one itself, you will get the answer as A, 1 only. Okay. So A is the correct answer here. 1 only would be the correct answer. This has erupted even in 2005. Okay. And it is saying that since 1991, there has been no eruption. No. There has been an eruption in 2005 also, and due to which the third statement will be incorrect. Okay. See, if you look at the location factor, okay, if you can see the location factor, here we are having the Barren Island. Okay. And see, this is the portion of Andaman. Okay. After Andaman, you have this 10-degree channel, and after this 10-degree channel, in the further south, you are having the Nicobar Island. Okay. So there is no chance that Barren Island is 140 km east of the Great Nicobar. It is far, far north of this Great Nicobar Island. Okay. So second was definitely incorrect. Third was also incorrect because there has been eruption in 2005 also. Okay. It has erupted in August 24, 2005 also, and due to which it is the third statement is also incorrect. Okay. Now, let us see another question. See this one. It is also quite easy question. It is asking, in India, the Himalayas are spread over 5 states only. Second statement is saying, Western Ghat are spread over 5 states only. And third statement is saying, Pulicat Lake is spread over 2 states only. Now, before we solve this question, there is a common perception among the people that if there is the use of only in the statement, then it is incorrect most of the time. That is true. But you can see in all these statements, there is mention of the term only. So now which one would be incorrect one? There is no option of none of the above. So at least one of the statement is true out of these 3. Okay. So can you tell me what can be the answer here? That first statement, in India the Himalayas are spread over 5 states only. Second is saying Western Ghats are spread over 5 states only. And third is saying Pulicat Lake is spread over 2 states only. Okay. So can you give me what would be the correct answer here? Anyone? Like physiography is perhaps the challenging portion for you. In the drainage, in the vegetation, I have been getting many answers, but perhaps this is the challenging portion for you. I have got two answers as C, one answer as A. Okay. Anyone else? See, if we talk about the Himalayas, Himalayas are spread over many states now, starting from many states and Indian territories, like we have Jammu and Kashmir, then we have Ladakh, then we have this Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, then we have Sikkim, even the Darjeeling part of West Bengal, okay, and then you have this entire region of Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, then Nagaland, Mizoram, Manipur, Tripura, Meghalaya, they are all counted as part of the Himalayan region itself, okay. And even if you forget about them, now you have 4 different states here, like you have Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh region, then you have Uttarakhand, Himachal, then you have Sikkim, West Bengal, Arunachal Pradesh, okay. Even in this, you can see that there are more than 5 states now, okay. So first statement is definitely incorrect. Even if you count Jammu and Kashmir as 1, then also it is Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh as 1 when this question was framed, then also this would be an incorrect statement, okay. If you see the second one, Western Ghats are spread over 5 states. See, Western Ghats start from the state of Gujarat, then it passes through Maharashtra, then you have this Goa also, then you have Karnataka, then you have Kerala and Tamil Nadu. So here also we are having 6 states, okay. So this one is also incorrect. Then Pulicat Lake is spread over 2 states only. Now this is a correct statement. Pulicat Lake is spread over the states of Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Okay. So third statement is the only correct statement. All these 2 statements, first and second, were incorrect. And the correct answer here would be B, that is 3 only. Okay. So yes, one person has given that correct answer, that yes, it is 3 only, B. Okay. See here, if we talk about Himalaya, now according to Niti Aayog, okay, according to Niti Aayog reports, the Indian Himalayan region is spread across 13 Indian states or union territories, okay, and they are Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim, Tripura, Assam and West Bengal, okay. So they are counting this entire region of northeastern states and West Bengal plus this entire northwestern Himalayas, okay. So now we are having around 13 states or union territories in which Himalaya is extending over, okay. Now then if we talk about Western Ghat, we have already seen that it spreads over these states, and Pulicat Lake, you can see here in this image, it's also we are having the Pulicat Lake here at the border of Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, okay. So Pulicat Lake is spread over 2 states. And now see, Tamil Nadu is part of Eastern Ghat also, and the Western Ghat is also extending in this region. You can see this Nilgiri, okay. The Nilgiri regions extends in the part of Tamil Nadu also, okay. So there, that's why it is said that this Western Ghat region, you can see here portions, this Nilgiri hills, Annamalai hills, then these regions are here. They are almost on the border areas, this portion. See, here you have the Eastern Ghats, Shevaroy Hills, Javari Hills. These are part of the Eastern Ghat region. But if you see the border of Kerala and Tamil Nadu, you will find Nilgiri Hills are there. Then even Doda Beta is there, Annamalai is there, Cardamom Hills are there. They are all even extended in both the part of, like in part of Kerala also, in part of Tamil Nadu also. That's why we are having the extent of Western Ghats in Tamil Nadu also, and Tamil Nadu is plus having the Eastern Ghats as well. Okay. Yes, that Nilgiri Biosphere Reserve area, not just Nilgiri, even lower than that, Cardamom, Annamalai, they have also some extension towards the Tamil Nadu region. Okay. So due to which the Western Ghats are having spread over 6 states, and the Pulicat Lake, you can see here, it is at again the border areas of this Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. Okay. That's why only the third statement was correct one. Okay. Now see one. The next question which we have is again hills and the areas. Okay. Consider the following pairs. First of all, you have Cardamom Hills, here you have Coromandel Coast. Kamur Hills, Konkan Coast. Mahadev Hills, Central India, and Mikir Hills, Northeast India. Okay. So can you tell me which of them are correctly matched now? Okay. You have first option, Coromandel Coast. If you remember the map of the last slide which we were just displaying. Okay. Can you tell me whether the Cardamom Hills is there in Coromandel or anywhere else? Okay. Just tell me which one would be the correct one. Whether out of these four, which are correctly matched. Now UPSC has changed another pattern. They have come with this like only one pair is correct or two pair is correct. So they are further increasing the level of the question. Now you would have to gear up for that also. Okay. We are discussing those questions which are based on the previous year itself. Okay. And see, they have asked questions like this twice in the last 10 years. Okay. They have given peaks and areas, and there have been questions around this. I have got one answer as, no, I have got many answers at C. Okay, so you are very much confident about this. I think all of you are very much confident about it. See, if we talk about the Cardamom Hills, okay, Cardamom Hills, you can see it is more located towards the Malabar coast region. Okay, and this Kamur Hills, it is again in the part of that Chota Nagpur Plateau region. So it is not near Konkan coast. Okay. Mahadev Hills, it is in central India, and Mikir Hills, of course, it is in northeast India. Okay. So let me show you the extent of this. Okay. See, first of all, if you want to see the Mikir Hills, it is here. After this Garo, Khasia and Jaintia Hills, you are having this Mikir Hills here in this region. Okay. So this is the location of your Mikir Hills in the northeastern part of India. Okay. Then second part, you can see the important areas of central India. You can see here on this side we are having the Satmala Hills. Here we are having the Ajanta range. Okay. Then here in the central part of India we are having this Mahadev Hills. Okay. We are also having Maikal range here. Okay. Then in this Chota Nagpur and Hazaribagh Plateau region, here at this portion we are also having that Kamur Hills. Okay. So Kamur Hills is also there, and then here we have Mahadev Hills. Okay. So Kamur Hills is nowhere near the Konkan coast. It is very, very far away from the Konkan coast. Okay. So that is another part. Then if we look at the southern portion, okay, like you can see, this is our Coromandel coast, this is Malabar coast, and this is Konkan coast. So Konkan coast is the part of your Maharashtra, and then you have Goa also portion. Okay. So in this region we don't have this what you can say this Kamur Hills. Okay. Now look at the first one, Cardamom Hills. Cardamom Hills is near this Malabar coast region, not near this Coromandel coast. Coromandel coast is here, Cardamom is here, and here you are having this Malabar coast. So it is very, very far away from the Coromandel coast. Okay. So that's why the first was also incorrect, the second was also incorrect, the third and fourth were correct, where we have Mahadev Hills in the central India, and we were having this Mikir Hills in the northeast India. Okay. So 3 and 4 were the correct one. Now just see this, one more questions on the basis of islands. Okay. And this is very easy one. I think all of you know about it. Which one of the following pairs of island is separated from each other by the 10-degree channel? Okay. You have Andaman and Nicobar, Nicobar and Sumatra, Maldives and Lakshadweep, and Sumatra and Java. Okay. So which of these islands are separated by the 10-degree channel? I have got one answer as A. Okay. Anyone else? Okay, this is a relatively easier question. Okay. If you know it, you can easily solve it. It won't even take time. See, this is also one part of prelims preparation. Like you will find that around 15 to 20 questions will be there, which are based on like which are simply one word type question like this 10-degree channel. Okay. So this is one word type question, and here you save a lot of time. Like you have 100 questions, 120 minutes, and you need around 20 minutes even for filling the OMR sheet and all other things. Okay. So these questions, they are saving you great time. You can solve around 15 to 20 questions like this in less than 10 minutes. Okay. So they give you that additional minutes or time which you need for solving other questions. Okay. And these questions can be easily solved if you are continuously revising your topics, okay, whether it is belonging to the current section or the static portion. They are easy marks. Okay. Now see, I have got answers as A. Yes, all of you are correct. 10-degree channel is basically separating Andaman and Nicobar. Okay. See, here on this portion, we are having this Andaman and Nicobar. You can see 10-degree channel is there. 10-degree channel is separating the Andaman Islands from the Nicobar Islands. And see, there is one more thing, Duncan Passage. Duncan Passage is separating the Little Andaman from the Great Andaman. Okay. So, Duncan Passage is also one thing which you can remember. It is separating the Little Andaman from the Great Andaman portion or the South Andaman portion. Okay. That is one part. Okay. Then you can see we are having three important channels. First is 10-degree channel. It separates the Nicobar group of islands, Andaman and Nicobar. Second is 9-degree channel, which separates the islands of Minicoy from the main Lakshadweep islands. Okay. See here, you have 9-degree channel. Above this region, we are having the main Lakshadweep islands, and here in this small portion, you can see the Minicoy island. Okay. Here you are having the Minicoy island. Here you are having the 9-degree channel, and here you are having the other island groups of Lakshadweep. So this 9-degree channel is separating the main island groups of Lakshadweep from the Minicoy islands. Okay. And then after this Minicoy islands, we are having the 8-degree channel, which separates it from the Maldives. Okay. So three important channels are there: 8-degree, 9-degree and 10-degree. And this is something which you should know. Okay. I hope it is clear. Okay. So that will be all for today. We have discussed some questions related to physiography section. Okay. Tomorrow again we will start with a theme and we will discuss further some questions from the geography related sections, Indian geography related sections. We will focus on the previous year questions and we will try to see what are the linkages there, how we can prepare for it. Just go like less than 100 days are remaining now. So you should increase your pace of solving the questions, plus you should also focus on more and more revision. Okay. All the best. Let's meet tomorrow. Thank you.